In his fascinating book, Gödel, Escher, Bach, An Eternal Golden Braid by Douglas Hofstadter, on the front cover was this ingenious little wooden block. When you shine a light from the front, it would cast a G on the back wall. When you shine it here from the left, it would cast a B on the wall. And when you shine it from above, it would cast an E on the wall. Same block, but you could see it from different angles and see how it did different things. Well, I'd like to do the same thing with an operating system. Now, an operating system sits on top of hardware, and then applications and user interfaces sit on top of that. So if we highlight the hardware here, shine a light up from the bottom, let's see what kind of shadow the hardware casts. And if we shine it downward from the applications and user interface, let's see what the operating system does to that. Let's start from the bottom up. Let's take a look at the effect on the hardware. Well, the operating system gives the hardware a resource manager. It allocates resources in a safe manner on behalf of the hardware. That is to say, it makes sure that things can only write to a disk one at a time so that you can't have files intermixing. It makes sure that print jobs only print one at a time so that you don't get two print jobs intermixing with each other. So it manages all this hardware in a safe and efficient manner. Now, if we were to look at it from the other direction, the effect on applications and user interface, well, it creates a virtual machine for the application and user interface. It presents the applications with a machine so that they don't have to worry about the actual hardware. They can be interpreted easily by the operating system so that I don't care what kind of hardware it is. I don't care what kind of printer it is. I don't care what kind of disk drives they are. The application and user interface is simply write to the operating system and let the operating system worry about how to do it. And so in that sense, the operating system sort of creates a virtual machine, if you will, so that the applications and user interface can just write to one type of interface and not have to worry about what type of hardware is underneath the hood.